We are going to create a PDF image of this. If we try to export it as a DXF, what we're realizing is that all our lines are getting saved over, and it's just creating an issue when the laser cutter is actually cutting out the design. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down and we're going to go to create a drawing from our design. Once we do that, it's going to be a new drawing. We're going to go from scratch and we want the full assembly. We're going to hit OK. Okay, once that comes up, we're going to see, if I were to drag my mouse around, we don't really see what we want, and that's because our orientation is not correct. We don't want the front view. Instead, with this, we're going to have the top view. And once that happens, I should be able to see that outline of the box components that I've made. I'm just going to go ahead and place it up here. If you need to close these drop downs, I'm just going to place it up here in the top left. I want to make sure my edges are visible, and then I'm just going to hit OK. Once I do that, it's made this PDF. I can then go ahead and click on these and get rid of these other components to this drawing that it was going to create. And then I'm just going to go ahead and export it as a PDF. All the sheets, don't need to open it. Line weights are good. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. I'm going to name it laser cut box, my last name, what version, and then my dates. So that's going to be January 10th, 2024. I'm going to export it as a PDF. And I can save this project in the cloud as well if I wanted to. I've actually already done this, but what you would do is just make sure that it's in the correct project that you have. So I would recommend doing that. That way you can go ahead. And then also I want to save it to my computer. I'm using the desktop version of the platform. And so I can kind of choose where it's going to go. If I wanted to, I'm good with it just going to my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And now I should be able to find that on my computer. All right, so I can come over here onto my desktop. I see that file there. And then I'm just going to upload that file into my Google Drive. Okay, so once I see that file here on my desktop, I'm then going to go ahead and bring it over to my Google Drive. And I'm just going to upload it into a specific folder in my drive. And that's going to give me the opportunity then that I can download that file onto the computer which is connected to our laser cutter.